I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, yeah.
My mom even found a video of me going into first grade, holding my backpack like this, and she's like,
"What do you want to be when you grow up?"
Veterinarian.
Who's a veterinarian that you know?
My dad.
You got a friend in me.
music means so much to me. I was like really struggling, like I need to pick one or the other.
Rough ahead, yeah, and you're miles from your nice warm bed. Stick together like your old past said, yeah, you got a friend in me. Listen, you got a friend in me. Licked inside my mouth.
Animals are around families and music in their day. It's familiar, it's part of life, you know. And so if they're nervous or if they're just crazy excited and hyper, giving them some familiarity made sense, and to be able to connect directly with the animals, that in itself is a victory.
Give me the beat, boys, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in the rock and roll and drift away.